Hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is God Be Praised, and that is by Charles Jenkins. And we're in the key of A flat. And you know what? This was requested by Josiah Washington. Thank you so much, Josiah, for giving us an awesome song to work on today. Guys, it's a fun song. We're going to get into it. To kick things off, let me just let you see what I'm working with. Yep, I got my coffee. I have my numerical coffee. Guys, I want you to go to your favorite refrigerator, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite motif, Yamaha, or maybe Roland, a Casio. Sit down at it and learn with your favorite instructor, me, AK, on today. All right, guys, let's get started. We're in the key of A flat. That's A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have the great Charles Jenkins in the building. He's with the Fellowship Chicago Choir. And we're going to just go ahead and crack our knuckles in the numerical cave, of course, right? Let's stretch them out. And I think we're ready. Yep, we're ready. All right, let's get it. God be praised. That is Charles Jenkins with God Be Praised. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So what we're doing is we're starting off with, what is that? We're on a 7 flat. We're playing a G flat major chord. Going to our 7, and that's a G major chord. Now we're on our A flat major chord on the 1, and then we're playing this nice little turnaround. This is a G7 flat 5 chord on the 5, and then we start our song. All right, so that's our motif we got to learn. So what we're doing is we're playing a 1, and we're playing a B and an E flat. And we're going to our A flat, F, and play the B and E flat again, in with the A flat. All right, what did I do? The second time through, I went, that is 2 flat, going to the 2. 5 flat, going to the 5. And then I went. That chord right there is regular E flat dominant 7 chord. And then we're walking back up. Let me slow it down. So then I went to the 7, and I went to my 1, and I went. That's the motif of the day right there. We got to learn that. Right. All right, so now we will go again. We're on the 6 and we're playing an A7 flat 5 chord. All right, what is that? We're playing this chord on our 2. We're going to our 5 and we're playing a D flat 2 chord. And then we're doing the same thing as the beginning. We're just doing it twice. All right, so the next part, we're doing the same thing. What is that walk up we're doing? We're on the 2, we're playing a B flat dominant 7 chord. Going to our 3 flat, playing a B dominant 7 chord. Now we're going to our C dominant 7 chord. And we're ending right here on our 4, and that's a D flat dominant 7 chord. They're doing this nice bass walk. Let me give you that. 4, 6, 1, 2, and just repeating that. 4, 6, 1, 2. We play that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we walk up. Here's our walk up. We're on the 6, and we're playing this F6 chord. We're going up to our 7 flat. We're playing our G flat 6 chord. Now we're on our 7 and we're playing our G6 chord, and then we end on our 1 by itself, and then we go right back to our motif. Let me give you that. We're on our 1, we're playing a B chord. We're going to our 6, we're playing a B flat minor chord. Going to our 2, we're playing this nice little cool chord here, and then we're playing our D flat 2 chord on the 5, resolving with our beginning. And guys, that's the whole song. Now of course we can do a couple things to make it a little bit better. So when we're doing that little motif of, this is something we can do. We can change up our bass. Our bass can go 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. Let me go really slow. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. All right, guys, I hope that was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is preaching burgers and serving gout. I remember being young when a coworker of mine told me about his church, which taught that certain foods should be eaten because the Bible deemed them clean and good. So one day we went out to eat at one of my favorite burger joints. There he ordered 4 hamburgers and fries. As he ate his burger, he was telling me, "See, AK, this is what you should eat because the Bible said that it's clean. Stop eating all that unclean food." So after hearing this, I jumped on his holy burger bandwagon and started eating just like him. Only to find out my body and red meat don't see eye to eye, unless gout was the divine plan all along. The lesson I learned is this: what works for one person may not work for you. Always listen to your body and make choices that align with your own well-being, not just someone else's convictions. No more holy burgers for me. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in and learning with me, AK, your favorite instructor on today. I would love it if you would continue to do exactly what you're doing. Share this content. Get it out to your friends. Give it out to your loved ones. Give it out to anyone that you know that might want to learn how to play the piano. And you know what? We have a Numerical Melodies Facebook page. I would love for you to go to Numerical Melodies on Facebook. That's me playing all the songs that I love to hear and play. And I hope you do as well. We have a viewer's request. That's me playing the songs that you request. And I just play them. Yeah, that's simple. As simple as that. Go to Numerical Melodies again, Facebook, viewers request. Go enjoy those songs. We have a bell. When you hit that bell, a video that is new is coming right to you. Right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Some people say it takes all year to hit, but you know what? Today, I think you can hit it in 3 seconds. Let's try. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. And you just hit the bell. Thank you so much. You all just made my day. Guys, you're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.